Hello everyone, my name is Dimas Pratama. I am a student of the management at Technocrat University. I hope this presentation will provide valuable insight and be beneficial for everyone. Without further ado, let's get started. Understanding central tendency, an introduction. In statistical measure of central tendency are fundamental tools used to describe the central point of data set. This measure provided a single value that attempts to present the entire set of data by identifying the central position within that set. Why is it crucial? Central tendency helps us summarize complex data into a simple, describable figure, making comparison and analysis significantly easier. Man the average storyteller. The man often simply calls the average is the most common measure of the central tendency. It is calculated by summing all the values in data set and then that sum by the total count of values. It provides an equitable distribution of the total quantity across all elements. However, the mean are highly sensitive to outliers, extremely high or low values, which can scale the average representation. One sample calculation to request all data 3 vulnerable to outliers. Median finding the middle ground. The median is value separating the higher half from the lower half of data sample. It's literally the middle value in asset when the data points are arranged in ascending or descending order. Odd number of data points. If the data set at odd number of observations of the median is the single middle value. Even number of data points. If the count is even, the median is the average mean of the two middle values. The key advantage of the median is that it advantaged by extreme outliers, making it the preferred measure for scale distribution shock in income data. Mode, the most frequent tail. The mode is the value that's appears most frequently in data set. It is the only measure of central tendency that be used by categorical nominal of non-numerous data, such as favorite colors of types of cars. A single model, one value repeats most two distinct facts. No model, all values include no repeating value. A data set can have one model unimodal, two model, bimodal, or multiple models multimodal. If every value in data set appears only once, the is model. When to use which, causing the right measure. Selecting an average measure of central tendency depends entirely on the nature of the data X distribution. Systematical data. Use the mean distribution like the normal distribution have the mean, median, and mode all approximately equal. Categorical data. Use data the mode is the only option. The more non-numeric data focusing on the most popular category. Skip with data outliers. Use the median. This prevents extreme values outliers from distorting the dispersion of the center. Recap and key takeaways. Understanding central tendency is the first step in unlocking the fair data analysis. These three measures serve different purposes based on data structure. Mean, average. Sum all values defined by count base for symmetrical data. Median, middle. The middle value in a ordered set base for skip-weight data. Mode, frequency. The most frequent value base for categorical data. Cause your measure visually is its dark status of story your data tells. That concludes my presentation for today. I hope the information I've shared has been useful and insightful for everyone. Thank you.